In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Microsoft Teams for free using their official method. If you're looking to join remote meetings, collaborate with your team seamlessly, or engage in virtual communication without spending a dime, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the steps to get you set up with Microsoft Teams at no cost. First things first, we need to search for Microsoft Teams using your Windows PC. This is the starting point for our journey. Head over to your computer's search bar, usually found at the bottom left corner of the screen, and type in Microsoft Teams. You should see the Microsoft Teams app appear in your search results. Select it to open the official Microsoft Teams page. This page is your gateway to downloading the application, so make sure you're on the official Microsoft site. Once there, you'll need to click on the option that says Download Microsoft Teams for Windows. This download link will provide you with the desktop version of Teams, which ensures a more stable and robust experience compared to web versions. Don't worry about the installation process, that's next on our list. If you find yourself on the next screen without a Microsoft account, you'll need to create one. It's free and straightforward. Just follow the on-screen prompts to enter your information. You might need to confirm your identity via an email or text message, so make sure to keep your email or phone close by for this step. Setting up your account right now will streamline your team's experience, so take the time to complete it accurately. For those who already have a Microsoft account, you're at an advantage. Instead of creating a new account, simply click on Continue when prompted. This button will take you directly to where you can start using Teams under your existing account credentials. Check to ensure you're logged into the correct account if you have multiple Microsoft accounts, just to avoid any confusion later on. And there you have it. Once you've followed these steps, you've successfully set up Microsoft Teams for free. Congratulations on making it this far. You can now start exploring all that Microsoft Teams has to offer. You can join meetings, chat with colleagues, share files, and even customize your workspace to suit your needs. With Teams, you have a powerful tool at your fingertips to enhance your productivity and collaboration, all for free. So go ahead and enjoy the seamless communication it provides and take your projects to the next level. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and insights on how to make technology work for you. Enjoy using Microsoft Teams.